Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing how to add the point shape files in Google Earth Pro and how to import it into ArcGIS and how to know the lat longs, because in Google Earth Pro you might get the lat long, but you need to get those lat longs here in ArcGIS too. So there is one option of inserting point shape file, like I have told in the previous classes, using the base map. So using the add base map, you can add the point shape files, but it won't be that much clear like you can see in Google Earth Pro, because in Google Earth Pro, like this is the platform, you can see, you can find the real-time image. The real-time image means previous year image, the current year, 5 years back, 10 years back image. You can clearly find out, and you can locate your like if you are looking into some high-rise buildings, or if you're looking some water bodies, or if you're looking for some specific restaurants, hotels, or hospitals, or if you're looking for any railway station. So with change in time, things might have changed a lot. So for that, so today we'll be discussing how you can point out those locations in the Google Earth real image, and you export it from here. Then how to import it in ArcGIS, and how to find out the lat long. Okay. So for that, you have to open Google Earth Pro. So this is the shape file of Mumbai city. This is the shape file of Mumbai city. I've told you already how to clip it out. So then we will go to search here Mumbai. So the Google Earth Pro will take us to one of the locations in Mumbai. So here there is an option of like you can select roads. It will show you roads. So if you select borders and labels, it will show you borders and labels. Then if you select the name of the places, it will show you the name of the places also. So here I have selected, I want to locate those transportation facilities available in Mumbai. Some transportation facilities. So it depends on your requirement, what you exactly need. Then you can proceed accordingly. So like I can see, I can find some means railway symbols, bus stop symbols, here bus stop symbols, railway symbols. So what is the criteria of adding or selecting those places exactly, and again importing it in ArcGIS. So here one option is there, uh, add place mark, then we have add polygon. Add polygon we'll be discussing in the next class, but today we'll be focusing on how to add point shape file. So first of all, what we'll do, though we are going to have use have multiple shape files, multiple point shape files. So we will be storing it in one location, so that when we export it and we import, it will be easier for us rather than going for individual shape files. We'll be having a single location from where automatically those 10 to 15 point shape files will be imported. So for that, what you will do, go to right click, go to add, you add a folder, transport, just type the name of the file, transport locations. Okay, you select OK. So here what you have to do, here you have to again right click, then go to add. Then we want to add the place mark. So like this is randomly added. You just drag it here. You can zoom it. You can zoom it, no problem. You can zoom it and place it over this symbol. Place it over this symbol, so it will show you. You can give the name, you can give this name as t1. So the lat long has been automatically taken. Then you can just click OK. Then again you go here, add place mark. Then again you take it, we will be using again marine lines. This is one option. Then we will select here t2. Okay. Then again another one place mark we can mention, like this one. So you can, so like this multiple files, point shape files you can assign to your folder. Again another place mark. here. We can mark it as T4. So you can either write T1, T2, T3, 4, or you can exactly zoom it and write the name of that location. So above also we will take some files at place mark. Okay, then T5. So we will see. So now next what we have to do. So now we have pointed out our place marks or our point save files. Then what we have to do, go to right, transportation locations, right click, save place as transport locations. Okay, the file will be saved in a format called KMZ or KML file. It will be saved in KML or KMZ. So just select a folder where you want to save, then simply just save the file. Then what we, so the next thing what we have to do, so if you select the file where you have saved, you won't get that because it is a KML file or KMZ file. You won't be able to find out the file here. So for that what you have to do, go to toolboxes, then there is an option called system toolboxes. So there are so many tools available. We'll be going through each of the tools and we'll be learning how to use it in the future classes. But today we just want to convert the KML or KMZ file to a layer which is familiar with ArcGIS. For that, go to from KML, go to layer. Then here open the folder where you have saved the KMZ file. So we have set transportation locations. Okay. Then it will automatically take a location, output location, or you can give of your own. Then just click OK and wait for the output or the results of the save file. So now you can see it has been clearly put on your save file. But sometimes what happens, there might be some problem. It may not overlap. It may not overlap on your save file. So for that what you will do, you have to change the coordinate system. You have to change, like you see, this shape file is in decimal degrees, this shape file. So you need to change it into the UTM coordinate system or projected coordinate system, then only it might get overlap. Sometimes, I'm not saying every time, if sometimes this problem arises when you convert KML to layer, so you might get the problem of this unit system. So for that, you have to change the decimal degree into a UTM zone or projected coordinate system. That I will be explaining in the next class. Okay. So otherwise, so now this point shape file have been added. Now we can change the format. Like we can right click here. We can remove the labels if we don't want unnecessarily. The labels can be removed, and this color can be changed. This color can be changed like this. Okay, this color can be changed like this. So looking into your requirement, you can change the color or the symbol. Then another one thing, when you right click on this point shape file and you open the attribute table, you find that there is nothing lat long available, but in Google Earth Pro, lat long was available for you. So for that, what you have to do, you have to add a field. You have to add a field, latitude and longitude. And unnecessarily, if you don't want these files, just select everything and you choose delete field. But if you select everything and choose delete field, I don't think it will remove everything. One by one, you have to remove. One by one, you have to remove like this, delete field. Okay. So now our concern is to add two fields. So what will add? Latitude. We'll give it float because it cannot be latitude and longitude. It cannot be in integer, short or long integer. It will be in float type. Okay. Then another field will add longitude. Similar type will change float. Okay. The next thing what we'll do, we'll right click on one of the fields, then we'll click calculate geometry. So just click yes, then this is the y coordinate, the coordinate system of data sources GCS WGS 1984. The units are decimal degree. Just click OK. Yes. But this is wrong because our longitude cannot be in such values. So for that, what you have to do, what is the wrong here? While selecting the calculate geometry, the longitude will be the x coordinate of point. The longitude will be x coordinate of point. So now you see the values have come. Then again in latitude to calculate geometry, it will be y coordinate of the point. So remember longitude is x coordinate of point and latitude is y coordinate of point. So now we have got the values. So now the point shape file, if you want to see that whether the latitude longitudes are in perfect frame or not, so you can see here. Go to identity, click on each of the point shape file. You can see the name T3 and the latitude longitude. You can see 18.9519. This one you see 9478. So like this, you can export the place mark from Google Earth Pro and you can import it in ArcGIS. So now when we have completed adding the lat long, so I am adding the labels. So now if I want to make a layout view or export this shape file showing the with proper legends. So when I go to add legends, when I insert legend, I find that this symbol ID is coming and there is nothing written here that what this green some symbol denotes. So for removing the symbol ID, just what you have to do, just don't right click it, left click it two times. Again another, so it will be selected. Just click a backspace, so it will be removed. And here also same thing, just select it two times, then you can write transport, then you can write transport, transport points. So now if you see, and this one we can change the name Mumbai save file. So this is how it will look when you export it. If you want to make it more clearly visible, then you can here you can change the size, so it is now clearly visible. Now the name labels you can change with some good colors, then it will change. So this is what we have completed exporting our place mark from Google Earth Pro to importing it in ArcGIS. So in the next class, we'll be seeing how to export polylines, polygons, and point shape files at a timely, from a single locations. Entire everything will be exported into the Google Earth, into the ArcGIS, from Google Earth Pro into the ArcGIS. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please add your comments or queries in the respective field so that I will know whether where I'm wrong or I need to clarify some doubts. Thank you.